Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you another Excel shortcut keys, Ctrl+J, which very few people knows about it. But today I'm going to share with you. Hope you will like it. So speaking of Ctrl+J, what it does is it converts from lines within the cell into different columns, as picture shown here. Go to the Data tab, Text to Columns selection, and on Other selection, you put Ctrl+J, and magically it will show like this. Believe it or not, please give it a try on your end and let me know if it works or not. Until next time, you take care and have a good day. Goodbye for now.